My vision was gone, except for blurred glimpses of movement. I had no memory of what had happened to me. I had no control over my movements. My hands just kept stuffing my mouth. My teeth worked tirelessly, stopping only to take in another handful. I vomited into my throat, swallowed, and kept eating. I felt the juices run down my chin.
Hey, Paul, you got that airbox on? This Sheriff Lewis.
Yeah, Lord, I'm just heading home from work.
Seen you drive by. We got a situation over at Ed Harmon's place. I'm short-handed tonight. He's got the runs or some damn thing. Can I get you to run up by the garrisons and make sure they're all right?
Lloyd, should I be worried?
No yet. Just check it out and radio me back. And be careful.
Well, I got my pistol, but I only got 3 bullets left. We kind of had a rat situation at work today.
Hopefully you won't need them. Just keep in touch. Over.
Dang.
My confusion was draped in sadness. I missed my wife and son. I hoped that if I was in some sort of accident, they were not hurt as well. I could not survive without them. I wouldn't want to. I read somewhere how the human mind could take you certain places in times of extreme trauma, happier places. I saw my wife. God, I loved her. She was everything I ever wanted. I longed to hold her in my arms. My arms. They were still traveling their familiar path from my delicious meal to my eager mouth. I told myself it wasn't real. I wasn't eating at such a strange time like this. But it felt so real. Thoughts of what could be going on churned in my head, and that's when I sensed something was near. I could smell it, but my mind would not process what it was. Just like my taste buds would not relay what I was eating. I cried out for my wife and son. And that's when I heard the shot. My sight went completely. Darkness encased me. And the hunger stopped.
You didn't tell me we were dealing with zombies.
Now, Flo, don't jump to conclusions here. We don't know that for sure.
The hell we don't. I just found Mr. Garrison eating his wife and son.